guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I have a shop with me video for you and also a shopping haul video for you. My daughter and I stopped by Dollar Tree and I took a shop with me video of their new Crafter's Square items, and then I wanted to share also my shopping haul, which is mostly Crafter's Square also. So first I wanted to start out with these beautiful crosses. So they did have 3 styles. So I picked up 2 of the 3 and they're very lightweight. And my store had a lot of pretty paint in too. And I also found this arrow. So this would be perfect for Valentine's Day or maybe a wedding or something like that. And it's wood also. And then I picked up this butterfly. So I thought that was pretty. I love butterflies. And then I picked up several stickers. I did take a video of all of their stickers too. So here's some more butterflies. They had these in white also, and I got the flowers in both colors. And then here's some more stickers that I bought. I don't know if you can tell or not, but they kind of have a vintage look to me. So I thought they were really pretty, and they had several, I think 3 different packages to choose from that were similar to this one. And then we also picked up some of the chalkboard tags. And then I also picked them up in the heart shape. 3 of these. And then my daughter, she picked up some of this washable paint. It's Crayola brand, and they had this in several colors. And so we just picked up the white. She's thinking about doing her little dog, Lucky, her little coonhound's paw print, so dipping her paw in this and then placing it here on one of these little chalkboard signs. So we're going to try that and see how that turns out. And then I also picked up some of the little bird houses to paint. So I thought they were so cute. And I also picked up one with the little heart cut out. And then I picked up some of these, I don't know what they're called. It just says wood box with drawer. So I thought these were cute. They had the butterfly and then the heart. So I picked up 3 of those. And then I picked up some of the little crates. It says wood crate. I picked up a couple of those. And then this one was new to me. It just says wood tray. And it has the stars on each end. And then I have never seen this either. It says pencil and brush organizer. So you'll have to let me know if you have ever seen this and if it works good or not. We only bought the 1. Maybe I should have gotten 2. There were 2 left. And then here's another sign that you could paint. It just says wood hanging decor. And then I picked up some little flower pots to paint. And then I know this isn't craft related, but I've been seeing a lot of people share this makeup vanishing towel on Instagram. So I picked up one of these, and it just says directions: rub the towel under warm water, squeeze to remove excess water, gently rub and massage over face to remove makeup, follow with your nightly skincare routine. So we're going to try this. So I think next I'm going to play the Crafter's Square Shop With Me video for you, and I will add some music, so I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching.